Oh my god, what the fuck is... What the fuck is this picture? Hold on. Remilia, hold on. There's so much going on. First, I noticed the angle. Then I noticed the slappers. And then I noticed, am I in a fucking sock? Hold on. Hold on, what the fuck is going on here? What the fuck is happening? What is going on? Why did you fucking take the picture like this? Why does your sock have such a big hole in it? What is... I got a blankie. Sturlock, what is this? Hold on. Hold on. Guys, I don't sound like Luigi. But I do. Oh! There it is! Eros spotted. Eros Fumo spotted. Is that a gun? Okay. I'm just saying this is the second time that we've seen also a gun in the fridge. That's all this is the second time this stream that we've seen a fucking gun in the why? Guys, fridges do not belong in the goddamn fridge. They belong in your mouth. That way you can quality test the bullets. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. Guys? Guys? Okay, chat. Now let's count. How many fucking Eroses do you see in this goddamn picture? Oh my fucking god! Holy shit, not a god. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How did you get that one upside down? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Jesus fucking Christ. 13. Wait. Do I know how to count? Wait, am I stupid? Wait a minute. Because of this. Hold on. Hold, please. Ah! Ah! What the fuck, dude? I just went to the Discord and went to Eros content. I hope some of you fucking take a good look at yourself in the mirror and go straight to hell. I hope you're fucking happy with your choices, dude. What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Dude, go straight to hell. I hope you fucking spontaneously combust. I hope you fucking trip. I hope you trip and you fall flat on your fucking face, dude. What the actual fuck is wrong with you guys? I hope you fucking shart yourself next time you try to fart. That's foul. Dude, you're, okay. Why are your feet so smooth, though? Do you moisturize? You have like baby feet. You wear a size 2? The fuck? Fucking put those away. Put those away. That's fucking disgusting. Anyways. What is this? What is this, Kendall? I am not adding that! What the fuck is... I'm not putting that in the channel! Is this is Remilia again. Did you take me out of the sock? What's in the sock now? Is the sock pregnant? Why are you curling your Bro! Bro! What are you doing? What the fuck? No. Oh my god. Oh. Dude. Why are you curling your fucking toes? What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh, I see the sock is on my ponytail. You motherfucker. Get that off. That is foul. That's disgusting. Eros, show feet, assert your dominance. That's not happening. What? What does this mean? Pixel, our beloved mod, posted this and wrote in all caps, help. Did you fucking fall over? What do you mean help? What the fuck do you mean help? What happened to you? Sweet tea. This is my mini fridge I never use and the side fridge that has some of my stuff in the freezer. I live with my family that uses the main fridge mostly. It only holds some pepper jack cheese and honey ham I use for grilled ham and cheeses. That sounds fucking good. Dude, I'm hungry now. What the Why is your sauce cryogenically frozen? Bro! It's It's fucking consuming them! What the fuck? It's fucking keeping them trapped! Oh yeah, and also Eros. I think hey sweet tea. If I send you one of the 19 Eros plushies that I have, will you leave it in your fridge to be taken by the ice? Will you put it up against this back wall until it's completely consumed by the ice? I didn't, like, choose to go outside on my own for, like, a very, very long time. And it was not good. Is that corn? 24. 24 corn. That's a lot. Dude, you got a lot of fridges. That's 4. God damn, Jack. UV, what is this? Can you guys stop posting your depression fridges? What the fuck is this? UV, did you eat that apple and then go stick it in there? That apple is not brown. UV, you ate this apple just now for this picture. I can tell. UV, come to the front. You little liar. You little liar. I know you just ate that apple. I know you just ate that apple, UV. I can tell. I'm saving it for later. How's it empty and dirty? UV, I know this is okay. See, I was like, is this like a Google Images picture? But I know it's not because UV's fridge also had the same caution tape on it. So this is a real picture UV took. UV went and ate an apple and stuck it in you. Yeah, guys, I cracked this case wide open. You're not fucking pulling wool over my eyes. Guys. What is that? Sterling? What the fuck is that? It's fucking Chick-fil-A sauce packet, the bread filter, and 3 things of soy milk. words. What? Is this... is this real?